getting your kids or your grandkids off the computer, getting them to do something that is quick with a model engine, looks great, and doesn't need a multi-$1,000 workshop. So you've all seen the very well-known Stirling engine made by PM Research in the USA. This one is from 1992. And you've seen the base for them. Now these engines were copies of Davies Charlton engine from the Isle of Man. Pretty identical. But the base is just horrible. It's unsafe in its delivery of meths. Just sitting in here, it tends to overflow and burn. Paint just isn't correct. And these little brass bits here tend to just break off. The whole thing is ugly and badly made. So you'd think that you know, the normal YouTube way of it is that to grab our high pressure water cutter and our expensive workshop tools, and we would make our stainless steel base and our wooden base. Well, this took me 10 minutes and anybody can do it. The base, as you can see where I've just sanded off a little bit too much, the base of this engine is, well, it's come off a door. And so there was a door handle sitting in the middle of this. There's a hole in the middle of that base where the door handle used to go. And a couple of holes at each end where the screws used to go. And look, it just fit this engine pretty well and looks great. Red wooden base, as you can see, is just a box from an old thrift store. In this case, it holds the gas torch which is necessary to get this engine running. It doesn't really run on meths. Really quick, really easy to do, almost no tools. All you need is a drill, and you can have yourself or some kid getting their Stirling engine on a base like this that they can be proud of, having, you know, got off the computer and done something in the garage, in the workshop. Real simple to do. Now I went to these parts that I got. Don't remember where the box came from. This old door handle assembly was sitting in the garage. But if you want to go to a house scrapper, house parts recycler, they'll have all sorts of metal things like this, door covers, door hole covers. Or I went to the hardware store. I went to the hardware store and look at these. I found they would look beautiful on any model engine as a base. You could put them together back to back like this. How nice would that be? Easy peasy and good looking mods for your model engines. Thanks for watching.